I'm ready for
touchdown in the
engine start checklist.
1/3 of the runway are at risk of overrun. VFR aircraft avoid runway extended center lines. Use caution. Bird activity in the vicinity of Jackson Hole Airport. Taxiway Bravo, Bravo 1 and Bravo 2 closed. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Low-level wind shear advisories in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Papa.
484, John.
Removed and stowed.
All doors.
Closed, no lights.
Passenger cabin.
Briefed.
Safety seatbelt.
Left.
Right, thrust levers.
Idle.
Engine run.
Run.
Parking brake.
Sit.
Strobe and aux, and we are clear to the right.
United 484, Jackson Round.
Okay, left side looks good.
Engineer 1, rather.
Alright, 2 engines, 3 generators. Ready for checklist.
Your number is on. Anti-ice previously tested. Wing flaps.
IC-10.
Gas lock.
Removed.
Light controls.
Checked in free.
Flight spoilers.
Checked in stowed.
Ground spoilers.
Checked in auto.
Nose boost steering.
Is on.
Seatbelt.
COM 2.
Okay, we're COM 2 and we have information. Papa.
Copy that.
Jackson Hole ground, AirPod 5, FBO with Papa Ray taxi.
AirPod 5, runway 19 taxi Alpha. Information Pop is current.
19er via Alpha, and we have Papa, Pod 5.
Okay. Via Alpha.
For taxi complete, you are clear on the right.
Clear on the left.
See you.
When we do line up, turn on the weather radar. I don't like that cloud sitting at the departure end. I'm trying to think maybe we can get, talk to departure, maybe get deviations, say up to like 5 miles east of the departure course.
I'll tell them.
Sounds good.
My brakes.
Yeah, your brakes.
Your brakes.
My brakes.
Okay, brakes no squealing.
Checked.
Cross reversers.
Checked and stowed.
We got takeoff, you're up at takeoff, LNAV, your side. 16,000 for the climb. This is for our turn. Compass is matching. Heading 191 is the runway heading, and speeds are posted. Transponder TCAS for above. Fuel quantity is balance landing 4,200. Anti-ice not required. Engine N1 93.3. We get all the high elevation airports.
Yep.
Nav equipment is FMS on both sides, and takeoff data has been reviewed and briefed. When they clear us, I'll give you radar.
Thank you. And you can go ahead talk to tower now that you can already talk to the departure.
Okay, let's go COM 1.
Again, you can do it on COM2, it's probably the same controller.
You want to call the...
No, I'm saying you can call ground, and then he'll talk to departure. Just tell him what we'd like to request from departure, or from Salt Lake City Center. Slight deviation on the departure.
Alpine 1840, Jackson Tower, report.
To the east. For weather.
And ground AirPod 5.
AirPod 5, Jackson ground.
Can you relate to departure frequency that will need deviation for the weather straight ahead on our departure corridor?
AirPod 5, previous incidences with Salt Lake Center, they unapprove. I so highly suggest you climb as soon as practical, at least 1-2000 or 1-3000.
Oh.
Roger that, Pod 5.
Is it COM 1?
Yep.
484. United 484.
You'll give us a good rate of climb.
Program to Denver.
Then I'll contact
you have
departure.
expected departure clearance time of 2359er, time 2204 3/4. United 484, affirmative, that's flash show. AirPod 5, Jackson Tower, runway 19er, clear for takeoff, wind 230 at 5 gust 14.
19er, clear for takeoff, AirPod 5.
Parking brake is off.
Thank you.
Lights is on. Probes. We got the bleed set, cast and runway heading. See 19er. She's going to yell at us.
Approaching 19.
Okay, straight ahead, it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah. It looked worse before.
And there you go, 19er, line up complete.
Thank you.
On runway 19.
Thrust set.
Takeoff has achieved, speed alive. $80 knots.
Check.
V1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Well, now 400 feet.
AirPod 5, make your request with Salt Lake Center and contact Salt Lake Center.
Salt Lake Center, AirPod 5.
Yeah, for now it's fine, I think.
Departure, AirPod 5, 7,200, climbing 16,000.
Pod 5, rate of contact, 2 miles south, Jackson Airport, climb maintain, follow 240.
Flight level 240, Pod 5.
There you go, 240.
Let's accelerate 250. Get ready on the blades. And they
Looking
are
good. APU confirmed?
Stable. APU confirmed.
Send it. Fingers up, flaps are up, lights. Rolling pumps all auto, anti-edge is off, wing cast is unboxed. Thrust levers out of takeoff.
Okay.
We'll keep the seatbelts for a minute.
Oh,
or two.
absolutely. There's the ski site.
Let me know when you want the anti-ice.
Yeah, you can go ahead, I guess.
There you go.
Target fraction 629 Delta, climbing and maintaining level 390.
And 10,000 is complete except the seatbelt.
AirPod 5, contact Flight Center 128.35.
12835, pod 5.
005 Delta Golf.
Salt Lake Center, AirPod 5 at 14,300, climbing flight level 240.
AirPod 5, Salt Lake Center, come and maintain level 300.
Flight level 300, pod 5.
300.
You can turn off the anti-ice if you want.
AirPod 5, direct love block, Lima Lima Charlie.
Direct Lima Lima Charlie, pod 5.
I didn't hear you just said anything.
Yeah, you can say you can turn off.
Okay. We are direct Lima Lima Charlie here. Anti-ice is off.
Thank you. Let's see if we can get over those clouds.
Ocean 11, contact Flight Center at 127.7.
127.7 confirm.
Ocean 11, affirmative 127.7, 27.7.
27.7 Ocean left, goodbye.
I think we can get over that cloud.
Teton 208, contact Flight Center at 133.25.
Autopilot on, please.
Autopilot on, LNAV.
United 2155, contact Flight Center at 124.0.